Dear students, myself Enkaya, Associate Professor of Physics, Government Women's First Grade College at Kalburgi. In the previous sessions, we have learned about spherical aberration, chromatic aberration, conditions for achromatism. In this session, I want to solve few problems related to these concepts. Now first we shall consider one problem. It is desired to make a converging achromatic lens of focal length of 0.5 meter by using two lenses of materials A and B. If the dispersive powers of A and B are in the ratio 1:2, find the focal length of each lens. So, to solve any problem, first we have to write down the given data so that we will come to know what are the quantities are given and what is to be determined. So, in this problem, the dispersive powers are given. They are in the ratio 1:2. The F is given, capital F, 0.5 meters. We have to determine the F1 and F2. We know that condition for achromatism is given by omega 1 by F1 plus omega 2 by F2 is equal to 0. If you simplify this, you will get F1 by F2 is equal to minus omega 1 by omega 2. Now substitute the values of omega 1 and omega 2. They are 1 and 2. You will get F1 by F2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So on cross multiplication, you will get F1 is equal to minus F2 by 2. Let us call this as equation number 1. Now we know that the equivalent focal length is given by 1 by F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. Now in this equation, substitute for F1 and F, and on simplification, you will get F2 is equal to minus 0.5 meters. Now let us substitute this value of F2 in equation number 1. So you will get F1 is equal to 0.25 meters. Now let us consider another problem. The dispersive power of crown and flint glasses are 0.015 and 0.030 respectively. Calculate the focal length of lenses which form an achromatic doublet of focal length 0.8 meter when placed in contact. Again we shall write down what are the given quantities. Omega 1 is 0.015, omega 2 is 0.030, capital F is 0.8 meter, F1 we have to determine, F2 we have to determine. We know that the condition for achromatism, that is omega 1 by F1 plus omega 2 by F2 is equal to 0, or we can write down this as F1 by F2 is equal to minus omega 1 by omega 2. Now substitute for omega 1 and omega 2 and simplify, you will get F1 by F2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. And again you cross multiply, you will get F1 is equal to minus F2 by 2. Let us call this as equation number 1. Now substitute the values of capital F and F1 in this equation, and on simplification you will get F2 is equal to minus 0.08 meters. Now substitute this value of F2 in equation 1, you will get F1 is equal to 0.4 meters. Now let us consider another problem. What is the focal length of an achromatic doublet made of two lenses of dispersive powers 0.02 and 0.04? The focal length of the convex lens is 0.25 meters. Again, write down the given data. Omega 1 is 0.02, omega 2 is 0.04. F we have to calculate. F1 is given 0.25 meters and we have to calculate F2. Again, make use of same equation, that is condition for achromatism. Omega 1 by F1 plus omega 2 by F2 is equal to 0. Omega 1 by omega 2 is equal to minus F1 by F2. Substitute for omega 1, omega 2 and F1. On simplification, you will get F2 is equal to minus 0.5 meters. Now 1 by F is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 is the equation for equivalent focal length. In this equation, let us substitute F1 and F2. On simplification, you will get the value of capital F is equal to 0.5 meters. Now let us switch over to the another problem. Two lenses of focal lengths 0.1 meter and 0.05 meters are placed at a certain distance apart. Calculate the distance between the lenses if they form an achromatic combination. The given data is F1 is equal to 0.1 meter, F2 is equal to 0.05 meter. You have to calculate the distance between the two lenses, and the formula for X is F1 plus F2 divided by 2. Substitute these two values, you will get X is equal to 0.075 meters. Thank you.